Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is going up 0.26% right now at this moment. Well, I do have a few key points to update you guys in this video. I really believe this video is going to be very helpful to you. So in that case, remember to click on the like button, and if you're new around here, remember to subscribe, because I do believe this video is going to be very helpful to you. Right now, Tesla did trigger this pennant chart pattern, which we talked about in this channel. It did trigger it. It went up nicely. Right now, what we see is a correction, okay? Corrections are normal. They're part of the game. I mean, bull trends are made of higher highs, higher lows. We gotta see lows at some point. But at what point a low is acceptable? Well, a low must be higher than the previous low, and preferably we must not see a crystal clear bearish structure on any trending stock. Right now, Tesla is not giving us any bearish structure. You may say, oh, but maybe we have a head and shoulders chart pattern over here, am I right? I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me show to you. Maybe we have this, right? Well, I think the pattern is not that clear. I mean, it's a quite ugly head and shoulders chart pattern. It is not the best one, and the problem is the trend is still clearly bullish. We do have a clear support level at the 21 exponential moving average. We have another support level at $819, this red line over here. So the trend is still clearly bullish. Despite the ghost of this head and shoulders, I do not believe this is going to be a problematic pattern for Tesla. What's more, the pattern was not even triggered. Right now, Tesla is reacting at the 21 exponential moving average, which we already talked about in our previous video yesterday. You may watch it anytime you want. Right now, Tesla is doing a very good reaction above a support level, above the EMA over here. And as far as I know, that's a buy sign. That's a buy sign because the risk-reward ratio makes sense. I'm not saying the odds, the probability of Tesla going up right now are high, because I don't know, I can't possibly know that. But I know for a fact that the risk-reward ratio makes sense. Let's assume you are out of Tesla. Okay, you want to buy Tesla, you are an institutional investor and you want to buy Tesla right now. Okay, you have to buy Tesla. How do you want to proceed? You would buy after the breakout of last candle's high, which was triggered, by the way. Set a tight stop loss under this candle's low and the target at $920, roughly over here. So the risk-reward ratio is 2.77. This makes sense. Even if you lose money, I don't know, 60-70% of the time, you would still be profitable in the long run. Do that 100 times and you will achieve the consistency you need so much in order to become a successful trader, a successful investor. So that's how you would proceed. That's the configuration we see here right now in Tesla. But why would you set a stop loss under this candle's low? Because if we lose this support level along with the EMA again, there's a decent chance Tesla will indeed seek this yellowish area over here. Now, only if Tesla does a bullish candlestick pattern in this yellowish area, we will be allowed to buy it back again. It could even retest this red line, $819. That's how I see the situation. Okay, either way, Tesla is looking very, very good. But we do have some good news and some bad news in other time frames. But Tesla is looking good in the 1 hour chart. However, it's not looking as good as our swing trading newsletter over here, the Finance Hydra trading newsletter, the only newsletter that can consistently beat the market, and our performance is 100% public. You may check our public results by clicking here. You are going to be redirected to this public document and you're going to see how we have been doing in the past few months, in the past year. Since 2021, our performance is 100% public. This is the best trading newsletter and yes, it is a very good investment option right now. And you will have 7 days trial. Now, before we talk about good news in Tesla, let's talk about the bad news. What are the bad news? The bad news is that the trend is still clearly bearish in the daily chart. We don't have a clear bullish structure over here, okay? What would be crystal clear bullish structure in your humble opinion, Nathan? It would be a bullish pivot point. Okay, if Tesla does this, N of Nathan, right? Okay, it went up nicely to the EMA, which is a quite strong resistance level for Tesla, as evidenced in the past 3 trading days. If it does a pullback to this red line again, to the $819, that's fine. If we see good reaction over here, it might trigger a bullish pivot point. That would be the best bullish structure to look in Tesla for the midterm, okay? For if you want to see a crystal clear bullish reversal in the daily chart, that's the pattern you want to see. We do have many other stocks that are doing exactly this pattern. Tesla is not doing that right now, but I do believe it will. So this is why I'm telling you guys, if we see pullback, another pullback, that's just fine. That's not a reason to panic. In fact, that might be a perfect moment for us to add positions to buy more Tesla, because the possibility of a bullish pivot point, of a bullish structure in the daily chart over here appear is going to be pretty high. And what's more, I really like the fact that Tesla, the volume is decreasing over here. Tesla is looking a little bit bearish over here, a little bit weak, but it's because the volume is weak. No one is selling Tesla at these levels because the risk-reward ratio makes no sense for short sellers right now. In the weekly chart, we do have a very nice bullish structure over here. Last week we did a hammer candlestick pattern. Right now we are trying to close again above this purple trend line, making this a gigantic, dumb, false breakout from this support level. So that's going to be an amazing bear trap, and we might even see another squeeze because many people, many retail traders are going to short Tesla in these levels, and the moment it starts going up again, well, it's not the best situation ever. They are all gonna be stopped, and we will see Tesla doing another good reaction. The problem is the EMA in the daily chart. Another problem is the EMA in the weekly chart. However, if Tesla triggers another bullish structure in the 1-hour chart, I do believe we're gonna fly again. Either way, for the short term, our target is $920. I will keep you guys updated every day in this channel, so remember to subscribe because I do believe this content was pretty helpful to you, am I right? So subscribe, click on the like button, stay safe, farewell.